In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly create a new profile in the Brave browser. Creating separate profiles in your browser can be a game changer, especially if you're someone who likes to keep work and personal life strictly apart, or perhaps you have different profiles for school and leisure browsing. Not only does it help in organizing your browsing activities, but it also keeps everything tidy and efficient. So let's dive right in and get this set up. First, you'll want to open up your Brave browser. Go ahead and launch it on your computer. You can click on the Brave icon that you typically use to open the browser. Once you've got Brave up and running, it's time to move on to the next step, which involves finding the menu. Now, in the top right corner of your browser window, you'll notice a three-line icon, often referred to as a hamburger menu. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down list that gives you a whole host of options. In this menu, what we're interested in is the section labeled More Tools. When you hover over or click on More Tools, it will expand further to give you even more choices. Among these, you'll find the option to Add Profile. This is crucial for what we're about to do, so go ahead and click on Add Profile. After clicking Add Profile, you'll see that a new window pops up. Here is where you can start personalizing your new profile to suit your needs. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a name for your profile. You could name it Work if you're setting it up for professional use, School for academic work, or Personal if it's just for general browsing. Giving your profile a specific name helps in quickly identifying the right one when you have multiple profiles. Next, you have the delightful task of choosing a theme color for your profile. This is entirely up to you and your preference. Pick a color that's pleasing to you. After all, it's nice to have a bit of customization, especially if it makes your browsing experience more enjoyable. Lastly, you have the option to add a profile icon. This is optional, but it can be another way to quickly notice which profile you're in, especially if you're a visual person. Select an icon that resonates with what the profile is all about, and you're all set to go. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully created a new profile in Brave browser. This will allow you to organize your activities effectively and keep your work and personal browsing separate. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your browsing experience more organized and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing!